Honorable Speaker, the Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Deputy Prime Ministers, the Honorable Leader of Opposition, Honorable members of the August House, members of the public, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. That retreat was actually going to be held in my neighborhood, so Mr. Speaker, sir, from the day I took on the tourism portfolio till today, I received requests from Fijians wanting to grow to diverse their businesses in tourism. There was a gentleman who got a space by a big resort to set up a stable to operate horse riding, but he wasn't able to purchase the needed equipment. There was a lady who owns an art business who wants to supply to more hotels, but needed help. But these businesses, for whatever reason, could not tap into any of our established finance programs. It was either that the program had closed, they were not eligible, or the program was focused on other sectors. So we saw a gap. Mr. Speaker, sir, we know micro, small, and medium enterprises, MSMEs, play a critical role in our nation's economy. They represent the vast majority of businesses, contribute significantly to job creation, and drive innovation at the grassroots level. The same is true for the tourism sector, not just in Fiji, but globally. Some of today's greatest companies began as ideas. Some data suggest up to 80% of the sector comprises SMEs. These businesses are the lifeblood of our local economies, yet they often face challenges in accessing the resources needed to grow and thrive. Mr. Speaker, sir, in recognizing this gap, in the 2024-2025 financial year, the Ministry of Tourism and Civil Aviation has been allocated $400,000 to implement the Pilot Tourism Micro and Small Enterprises Fund. The fund, an initiative of the coalition government, is the first of its kind for the tourism sector. It is designed to directly empower micro and small enterprises within the tourism sector by providing financial assistance in the form of a grant. Mr. Speaker, sir, this initiative reflects our government's belief that the growth of MSMEs is central to building a resilient and inclusive economy. We recognize that these small businesses form the backbone of our tourism sector. From family-run guest houses and eco-lodges to local tour operators and handcraft producers, MSMEs embody the essence of Fijian hospitality and culture. Through the grants, we are creating a platform for these enterprises to rebuild, innovate, and contribute to the larger vision of sustainable economic growth. These grants are not just for accommodation providers, it is to grow more experiences and activities. Globally, we see that today's traveler is not choosing a destination solely based on the hotel brand. There used to be the belief that is tourism in Fiji was sun, sand, and sea. It is much broader than that today, Honorable Speaker, sir. They want more immersive experiences where they leave their hotels and take part in community and cultural activities. This is an area the ministry wishes to focus on. Because as investments take a shape in hotels and new markets coming to Fiji, we need to be able to cater for the different needs. I wanted to share that the program is being overseen by a public-private panel. Besides government agencies, we have partners like the Fiji Hotel and Tourism Association, Fiji Development Bank, and Business Assistance Fiji. Through these grants, we want to support small businesses who want to enhance their product and experiences. It could be a village who has a waterfall and wants to build a small trail. It could be a new hiking route that wants to improve signage. To be eligible, you must be a Fijian citizen of 18 years of age and above, be a registered business in operation for 2 years, majority Fijian-owned or at least 51%. Engage in tourism, the majority of revenue comes from the tourism sector, and ability to meet the 1/3 project cost. Mr. Speaker, sir, this initiative is more than just financial assistance. It is a demonstration of a coalition government's dedication to creating opportunities for all Fijians. Tourism remains a cornerstone of our economy, and we are determined to provide it with the right type of support that empowers small businesses to succeed and innovate, ensuring their long-term sustainability. This program is not an isolated effort. It is part of a larger integrated vision to ensure Fiji's tourism sector remains resilient, inclusive, and globally competitive. From the novel Eco-Tourism Development Program to the Farm to Fork Initiative, we are creating a network of support that empowers entrepreneurs, sustains communities, and drives innovation. This government has shown time and again that we are committed to the principles of inclusivity and shared progress. The fund is yet another example of our resolve to bring impactful, transformative change to the lives of our people. Mr. Speaker, sir, I now have the honor of informing this August House and the public that the pilot program will be live and available tomorrow, effective tomorrow, Wednesday, 4 December 2024. The application is available on our website, www.mpca.gov.fj, and we will be reaching out to the various divisional officers of government to make these forms available. To our partners and stakeholders, we invite you to join us in supporting this initiative and ensuring its success. Together, we can create an ecosystem where every business, regardless of its size, has the tools to succeed. And to all Fijians, this is our journey. The coalition government remains committed to working with you every step of the way, ensuring that no one is left behind as we build a brighter, more prosperous Fiji. With determination, vision, and unity, we will ensure that tourism continues to be a source of strength and pride for our nation, empowering entrepreneurs and enriching lives. Now, Mr. Speaker.